Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And once again today, we have seen those scattered showers and thunderstorms develop across the region. You can see the rain increasing early on this Tuesday afternoon. And from here on out, the scattered areas of rain that we have in place will gradually diminish here during the nighttime hours tonight and probably come to an end this evening. Overnight tonight looking partly to mostly cloudy, and then tomorrow we will see a partly cloudy sky. Again, that stray afternoon thunderstorm will be a possibility, especially over the southern two-thirds of the area. Going through tomorrow night, we'll see a partly cloudy sky, and Thursday it looks like most of the rain will stay to the west of the Arklatex, although we could see a little bit of rain over parts of east and northeast Texas, the way things look right now. Other than that, looking a bit drier for Thursday as temperatures will likely heat up into the low to middle 90s. This is what we're watching here. You can see the upper level disturbance, which is now off to the west of the Arklatex here in Texas, and it is responsible for the rain that we have ongoing over much of Texas right now. And moving forward, we will see this disturbance, as you can see here, gradually inch its way away from us in the coming days. That is what is going to cause the decrease in rainfall chances, especially Thursday and Friday. We'll see another impulse kind of float in from the north and produce a break in this ridge, which will increase our threat of rain for Saturday as well as Sunday. Rain probably becoming more scattered Monday, but still a little bit of a weakness in place here, which will keep at least some chance of rain in the forecast through most of next week. Now, as far as rainfall potential, look at the numbers here for the next 10 days. You can see that generally speaking, a good inch and a half would be a reasonable expectation at any one location. It is possible that a few scattered locations will get a bit less, and it's also possible that we could see a few locations get 2 to 3 inches of rainfall. Again, this is total during the next 10 days. That being said, your forecast looks like this for tonight. We will see a partly to mostly cloudy sky. The scattered showers and thunderstorms that have developed this afternoon should come to an end, as we'll see lows back down into the low to middle 70s. Right around 75 tonight for the low in Shreveport, 74 in Texarkana, 72 in Marshall. Tomorrow, again, possibility for that scattered afternoon thunderstorm. Otherwise, it'll be partly cloudy and hot with highs mainly in the low to middle 90s, right around 93 in Shreveport, 92 degrees in Texarkana. And your 10-day forecast shows that we will see temperatures stay in the 90s probably through Friday, actually through Thursday. We'll ease on the highs back into the 80s starting Friday, and those highs likely will stay in the mid to upper 80s. Overnight lows will settle into the low to middle 60s. You can see the decrease in rain for Thursday, Friday, and then we'll see those rainfall chances increase again for Labor Day weekend. Not going to be a total washout, very similar weather to what we've experienced here over the last couple of days. A possibility you could see that 30 to 60 minute shower, thunder shower in your part of the Arklatex on any given day. So all in all, it looks like the threat of rain will continue across the region for most of the next 10 days, with a little bit of a decrease in the rainfall chances to close the work week and an increase once again just in time for Labor Day weekend.